Okay, so now I'm logged in as Fred Smith, our appellant, and I'm ready to perfect the appeal. So I'm going to file to the appellate court, select perfect an appeal, put in my case number, and it's showing me what I entered for the order appealing from and that information about the notice of appeal. Here I can request my argument time. So I'm going to request 5 minutes as the appellant. And when I hit next, I have my opportunity to upload my documents. I'm going to pick the appellant's brief with a copy of the order. And in this case, that's going to be a brief and appendix. So I'm going to note that on the additional document information line.
And note that when you're uploading your documents to NYSEF, it should mirror the paper documents that you're going to file with the court. In other words, if your brief and appendix is one volume that you're submitting in hard copy to the court, then in NYSEF you should be submitting one PDF that incorporates both the brief and appendix. And as Bill just showed you, just select brief and put a note in there. If the papers that you are filing with the court, the brief and the appendix are going to be separate hard copy documents, then you should be uploading separate PDFs to NYSEF, one as the brief and one as the appendix. And when you do that, you can submit your brief as document 1, and document 2, there's a separate selection for appendix. But in this example, again, we're going to treat the brief and appendix as being one document.
Consequently, the next or second document I'll be uploading will be the record. So the record on appeal.
And Bill, let me just note that it's very important when perfecting the appeal that both of these documents be included at this step.
So now I'm going to go ahead and hit my next button, and it should prompt me for my payment information. There should be no fee in this case because we've already uploaded a no fee authorization letter.
And let me just add again, Bill, that if for some reason, if there's been no motion submitted in this appeal and that assignment order has not been uploaded yet, that should be document 3 or 4 in the perfection step, uploading that assignment order so that when we get to this screen that requires payment, you'll be able to check the no fee authorization.
So now I should be able to hit next. Gives me the opportunity to review what I'm submitting. And now I can file the documents. And those documents, upon completion of this step, and just to note what this is doing at this point is it's checking those PDFs for compliance with PDF-A spec of the e-file attachment A, and checking for viruses and just making sure the document conforms to the file specification. It does not check for bookmarks or OCRing, or text searchability, I should say. That step is done when the clerk's office reviews the documents for that part of the compliance.